100కు పైగా కార్స్, 6000కు పైగా బైక్స్, మల్టీ బ్రాండ్ సెకండ్ హ్యాండ్ వెహికల్స్ ని తక్కువ ధరకే అందిస్తున్న ఏకైక సంస్థ వీల్ స్మార్ట్.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Chandrababu garu, has just arrived. And on behalf of AP Drones Corporation, a special surprise is being arranged to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister. There's a drone demonstration being done at the entrance, and we can witness that on the live feed. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it gives us great pleasure to welcome all of you for the most awaited and anticipated event, which serves as a premier gathering for thought leaders, innovators, and industry experts who are dedicated to shaping the future of drone technology. Amaravati Drone Summit aims to foster collaboration and innovation within the drone industry. We believe that by bringing together diverse perspectives and expertise, we can explore cutting-edge advancement and emerging trends that will define the future of drone technology. As India is poised to become the third largest drone market in the world, the state government is planning to come up with a policy on drones. And yes, Amaravati Drone Summit 2024, this two-day national summit, will bring together all the officials of the Union Ministry of Civil Aviation, representatives from defense sector, professors from premier IITs, research scholars, drone manufacturers, software developers, and industry regulators. And yes, we are awaiting the arrival of the Honorable Chief Minister onto the dais. There's a special drone demonstration by the Andhra Pradesh Drone Corporation. With that demonstration, the Honorable Chief Minister is being escorted to the main dais. With a huge round of applause, let's all welcome the visionary leader, the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Chandrababu garu. Honorable Chief Minister will now light the lamp and begin Amaravati Drone Summit 2024. Jyoti Prajwalana cheyavalsindiga గౌరవనీయులు మాన్యులు మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి శ్రీ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారిని సవినీయంగా మనవి చేస్తున్నాం.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.